Taoiseach Michael Martin, the Minister for Public Safety, the Government of Canada, the Honourable Gary Anand Sangari, the Mayor of the County of Cork, Councillor Joe Carroll, members of my accompanying Indian delegation, Dr. Padmini.
The cause ends up doing the same thing. It takes away the right of life of innocent peoples. Sadly, in the year 2024, such deaths have increased, and a number I came across that in the year 2024 has gone up to 8,352. Each year brings deadlier forms of violence against innocent civilians. The world needs to come together, not only in isolated episodes of solemn mourning such as these, but in collective, proactive efforts to combat this terrorism. Ideologies may differ, political differences may exist, but we need to remain vigilant. We need to recognize these dangerous trends, which instead of disappearing, seem to be gaining further ground. On behalf of India, I call upon the global community to remember our shared responsibility. I call upon our Canadian friends in particular to deepen our bilateral collaboration in countering this. Canada is a valued partner and a friend of India. We share vibrant cultural and economic relations with each other, and we are bound by democratic traditions. And those ideals require us to act together against all forms of extremism and terrorism. When separatist violence and separatist voices find sanctuary, when extremist figures glorify violence and they threaten not just the people whose lives they take away, they threaten societies at large. By working together, sharing intelligence, shutting off funding channels, countering radicalization, we can ensure that those who continue to promote hate and terror cannot succeed. India stands ready to do more. Our security agencies, our intelligence apparatus, and our diplomatic channels remain committed to partnering with Canada and all other countries. Let us redouble our efforts to ensure that what happened on 23rd June 1985 is never repeated, not here, not in India, not anywhere in the world. Flight AI 182 tragedy was one of the deadliest terrorist attacks in aviation history. It has left scars that have not healed, even after 40 years. I have personally had the benefit of knowing many of you, those of you who lost their dear ones, and over the years, we have grieved together, we have reached out, and I'm afraid even 4 decades later, some of us are still not coming to terms with that horrific accident or act of crime. Let this commemoration send a powerful, united message that those who chose the path of terror will never prevail over the enduring bonds of humanity, democracy, and friendship. Our nations have mourned together for 40 years, and we will continue to honor the memory of those who lost by striving for peace, security, and justice. May the memories of all those who perished remain forever in our hearts. I thank you very much.